here she is, the Beauty Naked collection. I'm so excited. I have been dying to get my hands on this. So I'm just going to take that Naked transition shade. It's like a bone color. It'll work for everyone. And this is just going to set the concealer I already have on my eyes. Then I'm going to take the darkest brown and I'm really going to start to carve out my crease. So you're going to see me here just start to build it up. I'm going to use a light hand and kind of map out where I want that brown, and then I'm going to use a heavier hand and keep dipping back into that palette. I'm going to do a side shaped V on the outer edge of my corners just to give it like a little feathered angle appearance, make my eyes look a little bit elongated so I have more of that sultry feel. And then I'm just going to take a blending brush that has nothing on it and just blend the transition shade to the dark brown shade just so everything is nice and clean. Then I'm going to take that berryish cherry color and I'm going to tap that all over my lid. If it gets into the brown, that's okay. I want a little bit of like a rocker feel, if that makes any sense. I don't know, it's the best word I could come up with. And I'm just going to basically pat that all over, take the brown brush that I was using for the brown shade and just kind of work those two shades together. And then I'm going to take the lighter berry color that's right next to it and I'm just going to apply that over top of where I put the darker berry color. And this is just going to help bring out pops of brightness just so that way the lid isn't so dark and it just gives your eye more of a little bit of a pop. So don't do what I'm doing, kids. I don't think this is what you're supposed to do, but here we go. I hate putting liner on, it makes me crazy. Then I'm just going to, budge it all out. So right here, my camera decided to be a jerk off and kind of just cut off on me. So I'm going to use the cherry liner and smudge it in, and then I'm going to smudge in the darker cherry color, and then I'm going to take a little pencil type of thing and just blend it all together and smudge it all together with the lighter berry. Then I'm going to take this shade of lipstick. It is beyond beautiful and it comes with a sparkly nude color, and then it also comes with a nude and then the color that I'm using right now. And then here's the setting spray. It smells like candy. It is so good. It made me hungry. I was like, give me food. It smelled really, really good. Then I'm going to take their cheek collection. It's like highlighter and blushes. And I'm going to use the golden highlight because there's a white one and it's like iridescent. It has like pops of purple. But I'm going to use the gold one. And then I'm going to throw on some blush. And I also put it on my nose and just all around my face because it makes you look like the sun hits you and you've been out in the sun and stuff. I feel like this is the perfect fall look. It looks good on every eye color, I think. I'm loving these tones. They're beautiful. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you grab this collection. So I hope you guys love it. Don't forget to subscribe. And I love you guys so much and I'll see you soon.